In the comfort of our living rooms, we scroll through feeds endlessly. Social media platforms rank content for engagement, not factual accuracy. This ranking system creates an outrage machine, spreading controversy quickly. Creators compete for attention, often prioritizing sensationalism over truth. Identity plays a role, as people seek validation through online interactions. Uncertainty fuels the fire, as ambiguous information sparks heated debates. Media literacy is crucial, yet often overlooked in the digital age. Behind the scenes, analytics dashboards track engagement, influencing content creation. The line between fact and fiction blurs, as misinformation spreads rapidly. In this ecosystem, outrage becomes a currency, traded for attention and influence. Creators face incentives to produce provocative content, rather than nuanced discussions. As we scroll through our feeds at night, we're unknowingly participating in this system. As we engage with provocative content, algorithms take note of our reactions. Creator incentives are tied to engagement metrics, influencing their content strategy. Outrage and controversy can spread quickly, often at the expense of factual accuracy. Social media platforms rely on user engagement to drive advertising revenue streams. The line between informative content and sensationalism becomes increasingly blurred. Uncertainty and emotional appeals can be leveraged to capture user attention spans. Identity-driven discussions can devolve into echo chambers, reinforcing biases. Media literacy is crucial in navigating the complexities of online information flows. The pursuit of online validation can lead creators to prioritize clicks over credibility. Analytics dashboards provide valuable insights into user behavior and engagement patterns. The constant stream of notifications can activate our brain's reward systems, fostering addiction. By understanding the engagement ranking trap, we can begin to break the cycle of outrage. Social media platforms prioritize content that sparks strong emotions instantly. Users unknowingly fuel outrage by engaging with provocative posts quickly. Identity plays a crucial role in shaping online interactions and opinions. Individuals often cling to information that confirms their existing biases strongly. Uncertainty and ambiguity can lead to a sense of unease and anxiety naturally. This emotional state makes people more receptive to sensationalized content. Creators capitalize on this phenomenon by producing provocative material. Analytics dashboards provide valuable insights into user engagement patterns. By analyzing these metrics, creators refine their content to maximize outrage. The line between factual reporting and sensationalism becomes increasingly blurred. Mainstream media outlets sometimes perpetuate this cycle unintentionally. Media literacy is essential to navigate the complex online information landscape effectively. Creators capitalize on this system by crafting provocative and divisive material. Outrage and fear are monetized through advertisements and sponsored content deals. Engagement ranking algorithms amplify this effect, favoring sensationalism over fact-based reporting. Mainstream media outlets often inadvertently fuel this cycle by sharing viral content. Uncertainty and identity-driven issues are exploited to generate intense reactions and shares. Analytics dashboards provide creators with valuable insights into their audience's emotional responses. By optimizing content for maximum outrage, creators can increase their online influence and revenue. The line between factual reporting and sensationalism becomes increasingly blurred in this system. Viewers, in turn, are fed a constant stream of provocative content, eroding their trust in facts. Media literacy is crucial in navigating this complex landscape of misinformation and manipulation. The consequences of this system are far-reaching, with potential impacts on societal cohesion and stability. Social media platforms prioritize engagement over factual accuracy, amplifying outrage. Creators often cater to this system, crafting content that sparks strong emotions. Identity plays a significant role, as users seek validation through online interactions. Uncertainty and controversy drive engagement, making them attractive to creators. Analytics dashboards provide valuable insights, influencing content strategy and decisions. Notifications and alerts fuel the outrage cycle, keeping users engaged and invested. As people scroll through their feeds, they're exposed to a curated stream of information. Media literacy is essential in navigating this complex landscape of misinformation. Critical thinking skills enable users to evaluate sources, identify biases, and recognize manipulation. By understanding the mechanisms behind social media, users can make informed decisions. Empowered with knowledge, individuals can promote factual information and constructive dialogue. Ultimately, media literacy can help mitigate the spread of misinformation and outrage. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.